Hi, Sam. Welcome again. Can you hear
Okay.
me?
Yes, I can.
Can you see me?
Yes, I can.
Okay, thank you. So let's proceed to our lesson.
Okay.
Okay, let me share my screen first. Wait for a moment.
Okay.
Okay, can you see it?
Uh,
Not yet?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
hold on. Wait for a moment.
Okay.
Oh, how about that? Can you see it
Um,
now?
okay. Yeah. Now I can
Okay,
see.
okay, okay. Wait for a moment. Okay,
Okay.
I'll arrange it.
Okay.
What did you do today, Chan?
What? Can you repeat?
Watching TV? What?
Yeah.
Okay.
I watch my iPad.
what? What? Let's repeat.
No, I watch my iPad.
Okay,
iPad.
okay, okay. Please wait for a moment. There's something wrong about this. Okay, all right.
Okay.
So our lesson for today is
Okay.
Unit 9. Wait for a moment. I think there's something wrong
Okay.
about the connection. Okay, it's okay. Can you see it now, San? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can see it now.
Okay. I think
Yes, I can.
I I think the slide is not working yet. Oh no.
Yeah.
There's wait for a moment, Sam. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Let's start. So our content today is about warm up, starting off and reading. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Then oh no, why is not working? So I have a question. So what place do you want to go at weekend?
I want to go to the um
To
I want to go to
where?
the I forgot this word.
What place?
Uh Playground or a shopping center.
Shopping center.
Yeah.
Oh, I like that too. How about at the park?
Yeah, the park or the museum um or shopping center or yeah, or somewhere I can play at there.
You want to play somewhere you
Yeah,
can play.
yes.
Okay, it's okay. That's great. So let's go. So
Okay.
let's go to vocabulary. Wait for a moment. There's something wrong about the screen. So please listen, Sam. I will play the audio. Then you read that word, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Please wait for a moment.
Chance.
Okay. Can you hear it?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
what's the word? Please read.
Yes. It is an occasion that allows something to be done.
Yes. Can you please read the word?
Okay. Chance.
Chance. Okay, very good. So next, so again, it's an occasion that allows something to be done. Okay.
Yeah.
Remember that, Sam, because we have an activity after our lesson.
Okay.
Okay. Next. Next word. Okay. Oh, please listen.
Voice.
Can
Voice.
you? Okay, very good. So
Yeah.
please read the description of voice.
The sounds that are made when people speak or sing.
Okay, so that is voice. So we are now speaking. Okay,
Yeah.
so we're using our voice.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
understand. Very good, Sam. Can you use this word in a sentence?
Um. Hmm. I think I can. Um.
Okay.
Wait me um, 1 minute. Um.
You can say,
You have a great voice.
okay, very good.
Yeah.
So next word. Wait for a moment. My pen is not working.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh no. Oh no. I can't move my pen in. Okay, wait for a moment, Sam. There's an technical error.
Okay.
Why? It's not working. Okay. Okay. Oh no. Who's that boy behind you?
Yes.
Is that your idol?
Yes. It is my idol. Do you know K-pop?
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
Korean star?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
I'm a big fan of
What his name?
his name is Martin.
He is an actor or singer?
He is a singer.
A singer. Okay. Wait for a moment, Sam. My mouse my cursor is not working. I don't know why. There's an technical error.
Okay.
Oh no. Why it's not working? Oh no. How can I proceed this to the next slide? Wait for a moment. I'm sorry, Sam. We have a technical error. Okay.
Okay.
Oh no, why it's not working? I'll wait for a moment. Okay. Okay. I'm going to use this. Okay. I'll wait for a moment.
Okay.
Oh no. Can you read the word, Sam? Oh, wait for a moment.
Okay.
I'm sorry for that technical error, Sam. I don't know why it's not working
No
today.
problem.
Okay. Okay. Please listen. I will play the audio.
Miss,
Okay. Can you say it again?
Miss.
Very good. So please read the meaning of miss.
Miss, it is to fulfill, to do, or experience something, often something planned or expected, or to avoid doing or experiencing
Very
experiencing something.
okay.
Yeah.
Please remember that, San. Can you do you know how to use it in a sentence? So miss is
Um,
something to fail.
I miss my test.
Very good.
Yeah.
It's correct. That's great, Sam. Okay, we're going to the next slide. Okay, let's listen.
Amazing.
Okay, can you repeat?
amazing.
Can you say it, Sam? Can you hear me?
Amazing.
Okay, very
Yes, I
good.
can.
So you understand the word amazing? Like this,
Yes, I know.
amazing. Okay, can you use it again in a sentence?
I feel amazing when I saw my dog has shorter, a shorter, no, a shorter hair.
Okay, very good. So
Yeah.
let's proceed. So remember that, San, the word amazing. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. So next slide. Okay. Oh, please listen.
Skill.
Uh, can you see it?
Skill.
Skill. So please read again the meaning of skill.
The meaning of skill, it is an ability to do an activity or job well, especially because you have have
Practice.
practiced it.
Okay, very good. So, what is your skill? You know how to dance, sing?
Yeah, I know it.
So, skill is an ability. So remember that, San?
Yeah.
Oh, can you use it again in a sentence?
Now I have my favorite skill, it is speaking.
Like, and what? Speaking?
Speaking. Yeah.
Speaking. Oh, okay. All right. So next slide.
Like skill, like I have my skill of speaking.
Okay, okay. Speaking what? Speaking English.
Yeah, speaking English.
Very good. Okay, wait for a moment.
Yeah.
Okay, how about this? So please listen.
Ticket.
Ticket.
Okay, very good. So this is an example of a ticket.
A ticket. Yeah.
So where can you buy a ticket, Sam?
I can buy a ticket on app or order it.
Yes. How about uh watching movie?
We need to order or we can buy offline at cinema.
Okay, very good. So remember that, Sam. So
Okay.
can you use it again in a sentence?
My mom has bought a tick the tick no.
Ticket.
My mom, yeah, my mom has bought tickets for my family.
Okay, very good. So let's proceed.
Uh,
Okay. Oh, no, no, no. I will go to the next slide. Okay.
yeah.
Oh, listen, Stan.
Wonderful.
Oh, what is that?
Wonderful.
Wonderful. So,
Wonderful.
can you read the meaning of wonderful? Please read.
Wonderful. It's been extremely good.
Oh, extremely good. Can you use it in a sentence?
Um, my mom have a wonderful place to go to play.
Okay, very good. Okay, next slide.
Yeah.
Next. Okay. How about this? Please listen.
Exhibition.
Exhibition. Exhibition.
Wait for a moment.
Exhibition.
Exhibition.
Yeah.
Exhibition. Okay. Please listen again.
Exhibition.
Exhibition.
Exhibition. Okay, very good.
Mm.
So this is an example of exhibition.
Yeah. Exhibition.
Did you go to an exhibition already?
No,
Oh, at school.
but yeah.
At school, there's no exhibition.
Yes, it have, but I think sometimes exhibition will have a little bit of boring.
Oh,
Yeah,
why? What is the display in the exhibition? Why is it boring?
because it is not music and um not something interest interesting.
Okay, that's
Yeah,
okay. So maybe someday you
yeah.
can go and watch an exhibition.
Is it raining where you are?
No? Why? Can you hear something? Oh, sorry. My, I, can you hear me?
Yes, now I can.
I'm sorry, Sam.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
forgot.
no problem.
I put
Yes.
my phone here, my
Uh,
microphone.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So let's proceed. Okay. Okay. Please listen. Wait for a moment. Okay.
Competition.
Competition.
Okay. Very good. So you know what is competition?
Yes, I knew it.
Okay. So in a competition, there is a what's this?
It's like a race.
Okay, yes, and it has a champion.
Yeah, it have.
Okay, a trophy. If you are the champion, you can receive
Yeah,
a trophy. Okay,
yeah.
very good. Okay, so let's proceed. Remember that, Sam? Okay,
Okay.
please listen.
Um,
Okay, please read that, Sam.
performance.
Okay, very good. So you know what is performance is?
Yeah,
Okay. What can you see at the picture?
I can see a tree. I can see a horse. I can see a lot of people and a star and a moon.
What do you think they are doing?
They are arting.
What? Please repeat.
Arting. They
Acting.
are arting. Yeah,
Okay, very good. So their performance is acting.
yeah.
Okay, remember that, Sam. Okay, next. Okay, how about this? Listen. Oh,
Pride.
Prize.
okay.
Pride.
Please say it again. Please repeat,
Pride.
Sam. Prize. Okay, very good.
Yeah.
So, do you know what is prize?
Yeah.
No?
Yeah, I know it. I knew
Oh,
it.
okay. So this is an example of prize, a
Yeah.
ribbon, or something, a reward. Okay?
Okay.
Remember that. Okay. Thank you, Sam. So let's
Yeah.
proceed. Uh,
Price.
okay. Please listen.
Actor.
Okay. Please read.
Actor.
Okay. Very good. So this are the example of an actor. So who is your favorite actor?
Oh. Favorite actor? I
Yes.
don't have my favorite actor, but I have my favorite singer.
Oh, why you don't have favorite actor? You don't you don't
Yeah.
watch any movies or series?
Yes.
You don't want to watch?
Yeah.
Why?
Sometimes I don't know.
What what do you want to watch? Anime?
I no, I don't like anime. Um, I like to watch Netflix
Ah,
and
Netflix
yeah,
movies?
and game. yeah, a movie. And I like to watch uh
About?
about a film called um uh, called um a well-deserved lesson.
Oh, okay. So it's fine, but remember what is an actor.
Yeah.
Okay? Okay, next slide. Oh, please listen.
Band.
Okay, can you repeat that, San?
Band.
Okay. Do you have a favorite band?
Um, I have a favorite group.
So what
Like,
is
yeah, the same by band too.
band and band?
Yeah, band.
A band. I mean,
Yeah.
what name of the band?
Quartest.
Cortes. Okay. So
Didn't
they
you?
are. No, I
No.
don't know. It's a
Yeah.
Vietnamese band.
No. It is a K-pop. A
Ah,
K-pop group.
a K-pop group. Okay. So, so they are boys.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So remember that, San. Okay. Next, dancer.
Dancer.
Can you say it, Sam? Please.
Dancer.
Okay, dancer. Do you know how to dance?
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm my my skill of dance. It is the best of my class.
oh, wow. So you are competing? Not
Yeah.
yet?
Like same like this. Yeah.
Oh, so you are a dancer, a good dancer. So since
Yeah.
when you know how to dance, you practice dancing? When?
Mm, no,
What
but no, I don't practice dance. It is my um
hobby?
yeah, this is my hobby. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, so you, the K-pop band that you like maybe is dancing too.
Like sing too. My
Okay.
voice it is really good, and a lot of people said my voice is really
Good. Oh, so you know how to sing and you know how to dance.
yeah,
Oh, that's very good. You
because
have, yes?
yeah, because my aunt is a singer.
Oh, your aunt.
Yeah.
Oh, she is a singer in the Vietnam?
Yeah, in Vietnam.
Oh, she is known.
Mm, she's a little bit, she's popular, but now it is less than 1 year, 1 year ago, a little bit.
Oh, it,
She's
mm-mm.
still popular, but it's, yeah,
Yeah, that's
but she's a
fine.
singer.
Okay. So maybe
Yeah.
someday you will be a singer. Do you want to
Oh,
be
thank
a popular
you.
singer or dancer?
Yes.
Okay, that's good.
Yes. I
So
really
you must
like to be a singer.
practice. We need to practice.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to the next slide. Please listen.
Photographer.
Photographer.
Please repeat. Please listen again.
Photographer.
Photographer.
Photo photographer.
Okay, very good. So do you know what is photographer? Do you know
Yes,
what is
I
photographer?
need.
Okay. So they are taking what? They are
Taking photo.
Okay, very good. So in the picture, what can you see? See, she's holding an, what's this?
She's holding an camera.
Okay, very good. So let's proceed. Okay. Oh, we had to review your vocabulary.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready? Ready?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Oh, look and choose between letter A, B, and C. So what is in the picture? What is this? Is it letter A, letter B, or C?
They are an actor.
Okay, very good. An actor. Okay. Next. Oh. How about this? Listen. Okay, I will play an audio and listen.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Oh, wonderful. So, what is the word? Letter A, letter B, or
Letter C.
Okay, so let's see. Is Oh, very good. You're amazing, son. You did a great job. Okay, next. How about this? Dancer.
Dancer.
So choose.
Dancer is yeah. Dancer is A because dancer means someone who dances either as a job or for pleasure.
So your answer is letter
A.
A. Okay, let's see if is it correct. Oh, correct. Amazing. Okay, excellent. Okay, how about this? What is this in the picture?
It is a band.
A band. So it is a letter.
Letter C.
Okay, let's see if it's correct. Oh, correct. Very good, San. So let's proceed again. Please listen to that audio.
Ticket.
Oh, ticket. So
Ticket.
where is the ticket word?
C.
See, okay, let's see. Oh, you're right again. Very good, Sam. You are so smart. The next.
Yeah.
So how about this? Please read this one.
The ability to do an activity or job well, especially because you have practiced it.
Okay, so what is this?
Skill.
Is it letter A, letter B, or letter C?
Letter A.
Okay, let's see if you are correct. Oh, you are correct. Very good. The next. What is this in the picture?
Photographer.
Okay. Photographer. Let's see if you are. Oh, correct. Very good, Sam. You are so smart. Okay, next.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, it's not working again.
Yeah.
Wait for a moment. I think the network is running.
So loud.
There's a lot of error today. Okay, please listen again, San. Oh, oh, it's not playing.
Prize.
Prize. So choose the picture of the correct
A.
Letter A. So let's see if you are correct. Very good, Sam. You're excellent. So how about this? What is the meaning of the band? So please choose between A, B, and C. Can you read? Oh, okay.
Oh, hello. It is so loud. I can't hear you now.
Oh, sorry. Can you hear me?
Yeah,
Oh,
I can hear you now.
it's automatically end the class. The Zoom meeting was off. Oh, wait for a moment. I will share again my screen.
Yeah.
Oh, I can see you. I can't see you.
Yeah. Give me
Okay.
1 minute.
Okay. Mm. Can you see it now, my screen?
Now I can't.
Oh, not yet. Okay, wait for a moment.
Yeah. Okay, now I can see it.
Okay, very good. So choose your answer. A, B, or C?
Letter B.
Letter B. Okay, very good. Let's see if you are correct.
Okay.
Oh, very good. So let's proceed again to the next. Okay, please listen again. Oh, it's not playing.
Competition.
Competition. So, where is
Competition.
an example of competition in the picture? Is it letter A, letter B, letter C?
B.
Okay,
Letter
let's
B.
see if you
Letter
are
B.
correct. Okay, very good, Dan. So let's proceed. Oh, it's the end.
Uh,
You did a great job, Dan. Okay, next slide.
mm,
It says you're excellent. Wait for a moment. There's more. Oh no, it's not working again.
What? Can you repeat?
Oh, okay. So we have an activity. So I have a question. Oh, I
Okay.
think this is not, this is work in pair, so you don't have a pair. So we will go to the next slide. So you need to complete the guide with words from the box. Okay?
Okay.
I'll wait for. I think the connection is poor again.
Okay.
So what are you doing, Sam? You are playing? No?
Yeah. No.
Yeah, and
I'm
no.
look something to play.
Okay, it's okay. The slide is not working again. Please wait for a moment. Oh no. Okay. Maybe I need to escape it. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Wait for a moment, Sam. Oh no. There's something wrong about the connection, I think. Okay. So are you okay, Sam?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm okay now.
Can you see it again, my screen? Can you see it? So I think we need to proceed to the
No,
next.
no. Yeah. That's it.
Okay, wait for a moment. Okay. We were going to escape the other slide because we are
Okay.
running out of time. Okay. Okay, please wait for a moment again. Oh, so we need to read a story, but we cannot make it now
Yeah.
because the time is running. We have, I think we have uh 6 minutes. Oh no. I'm sorry, Stan. The page is not is unresponsive. Okay. Wait for a moment.
Okay. Okay.
Sorry, Sam. So how about this? I have a question. Do you like stories about animals?
Yes, because I like animal.
Oh, what animal do you like? Sam, what are your favorite
I like
animals?
my favorite animal. It is dog, and I have a I have one dog.
A dog. Oh, what is the name of your dog?
Yeah.
What is the
It
name?
is milk.
Mute? Uh, can you repeat it
Milk.
again?
Yeah.
Mute? Mute?
Milk.
A
Milk.
mip. A
Yeah.
mip. Okay.
Drink.
Is it a girl or a boy?
It is girl. No, it is a boy. Milk. Drink. A
Okay.
drink.
So what
Milk.
is the color of your Can you hear me, Sam? What is the color of your dog?
Color.
Yeah, the
I
color.
can't. I can't. I can't see you now.
Oh, can you see me?
Oh yeah. Now I
Okay.
can, but
So
now
what
I
is
can't see your screen.
I stopped sharing already.
Uh-uh.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry, I forgot to say it to you.
Yeah.
So what is the color of your dog?
My color of medallion is white.
White. Oh. What is the breed of your dog?
Yeah.
Oh,
Can
is
you
it
repeat?
the breed? I mean the do you know how it is breed?
Breed. Um,
For example, is it
breed.
an
Can you repeat the words?
okay, I will wait for a moment. I will
Okay. Beat a dog.
breed,
Beat.
dog breed. For example, is it a Labrador, a
Ah,
Retriever? Okay, breed.
a poodle or something.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
So how
it
about your
is.
dog?
My dog. It is Pomeranian.
A Pomeranian.
Mm, por Pomeranian.
Okay. So I think it is fluffy. The
Yeah.
okay.
Yes.
So Sam, we are. I think the time is 7:19. So we need to end the our class. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So thank you so much, Sam, for coming. So see you in the next class.
Okay. Yes.
In
See you in
our
the next class. Happy to meet you.
thank you,
You too.
Sam. Good
Yeah.
day. Good
Yeah. Yes. Good night.
night.
Goodbye.
Bye.